Hi everyone, welcome to ResepKik channel. Today I'm going to share recipe how to cook black pepper beef stir fry. I'm going to prepare the ingredients and seasonings. Beef thinly sliced, 3 different colors of capsicums, red, green and yellow, onion, young ginger, chopped garlic, soya sauce, black pepper, oyster sauce, sugar, spring onion, corn flour, and cooking oil. Before I start to cook, I'm going to seasoning the beef with soya sauce, oyster sauce, and the corn flour. It's done for seasoning and ready to cook. I'm going to start by fry the garlic first and young ginger. Onion. Capsicums. And the black pepper as well. And now I will add the beef inside. Also the sugars. I'm going to fry until the beef well cooked, and make sure during cooking flip over. And now finally I will add the spring onion inside. And it's already done. This will make a splendid dish for dinner, especially convenient for your friends and family come over. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you again for the next episode only at ResepKik channel. Bye bye.